Yeah, basically I'm back in Dubai. This means much more content for you. Okay. This means that the content has a much better quality. As you see, I'm here in my studio. We had a green day yesterday, so we need to change the lighting setup here. But otherwise, I'm super much looking forward to our time here in Dubai, because this is really the time where I can supply you with the latest news, and very very much loving it always to show you what's going on into the market. So let me just introduce you to the formats that you will see here on this channel in the next couple of days. So in the morning, like now, I'm giving you the breaking news, which is a 10 minutes very short overview over the most important news for the day, so you start the day right. And then we will talk about in the afternoon there will be releasing of my daily vlog, that it's highly edited. And then we are closing the day with an interesting live stream, which we are going then to look into the most important things that happen over the day. We have the opportunity to going very very much into what's happening on the market, and with question and answers in the live stream. So I'm very much looking forward to. Okay. And thank you very much. And if you're liking this video, then this is highly appreciated. Other than that, let's dive directly into it. Okay, let's dive directly into it. What we're having this morning. So obviously the stocks in October starting a little bit crazy. Okay, with this guy here participating in the health crisis. All right, so this is quite interesting. But for me, the most interesting part obviously is which kind of trade can be established from exactly this situation. And this is what is important. And I think that the most interesting trade is by Regeneron. This is the company that is having the antibody shot for Mr. President. And why is this so important? Because you have to think about it, that exactly what is going to be, the treatment for Mr. President. You can imagine that so many people want to buy this or have this, so the demand for this antibody treatment will be huge, guys. Okay, it will be absolutely unprecedented. So I think that this is really really important to see, okay, which trades can we have through this situation. And this is exactly this. Let's have a look into the stock futures. They are opening a little bit higher, though the Nasdaq is a little bit down, but more or less we are quite flat, and waiting for new impulses for the market as of this morning. Then we have some breaking news about Goldman Sachs says Asia is best positioned for economic recovery. Now you ask me, okay, why is this so important? Well, first of all, you need to understand that Goldman Sachs is one of the companies that can really really good or can really good estimate the recovery of the economy. Moreover, you are seeing that many people are guided by Goldman Sachs when it comes to economic data. So it's always important to see what they are saying about the economy, the GDP or whatsoever. So you are then really really informed once you know what Goldman Sachs is saying, and this is what the market also thinks and build its recommendations and prices on when Goldman Sachs talking about the economy. So if they are saying it's recovering, obviously this is quite interesting. Now, further than that, a small breaking news here as of this morning is obviously also that oil is going up. This is always a nice indicator of the hopes of the economy and the stock market. If you want to have this commodity factor, and basically looking into those things can maybe give you a small indication how the market sees the current situation. And oil is going up on as fiscal stimulus, optimism, as well as Donald Trump leaving the hospital, right? I mean, those are positive news, and that's why there's an optimism in the commodity market of the oil. Then we need to look into further electric car news, okay? So basically, the Wall Street biggest Tesla bear is boosting its price target. Now you will say, wow, that's a fantastic news. Well, they raised it from $65 to $75, which is still 80 plus something, difference to today's price, because, Tesla stock is around 420. However, they are thinking that the Q3 deliveries was fantastic, but still, I don't know, guys. If you are already so wrong, JP Morgan, then I think that you should be, basically a little bit ashamed, right? I mean, you were so wrong the whole time, and now raising a little bit the bar to 75 is an absolute joke for me. Now, staying with the EV market news, we are having Faraday. It's a private EV car company startup, Faraday Future, and they are in talks to go public, okay? They want to go public with a spec, something, that is really, 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 really fantastic here. And we just got here super chat from Mike OX Long, and it says the time difference is crazy, bro. It's 10 p.m. in the States, but I appreciate your videos, and you keep up the good work. Thank you so much, guys. That's obviously highly appreciated. And Mike, I hope you have a great evening, and thank you very much for the support, obviously. Okay. And as you can see here, Faraday is going the spec way, which is, a new trend to bring private companies, private startups into the public market. And I'm very curious with whom they are going. We know that there is really many people or hedge funds out there that doing this crazy business of how you say it, SPAC industries, right? If you think about it, Shamas is doing it, Bill Ackman, and so many other hedge funds, and it's pretty, many people are thinking, this is the new way to bring, private companies into the markets, which is fantastic because, for us public and retail investors, it's fantastic because we want to have as many companies as possible on the private markets. And this reminds me a little bit from this crypto scene, right? Where people thought, let's have a look about the whole industry to see, we would love to see everyone on the public market, right? Like private buildings, even, or streets. This was the whole idea, also, or an interesting thought about the crypto and blockchain industry, to have everything public so everybody can, buy a piece of that street or whatsoever. So seeing more and more people going the SPAC way is something that I really think it's great for us as investors. And I'm looking forward to so many new companies that we can invest in, and maybe there will be some 10x stocks that are, coming to the market. So that's it with Faraday. And other than that, also there is some people like an analyst saying that Nikola stock will surge 70% from current levels. Well, let's see about that. let's see about that. I always say, maybe they will do this unbelievable move and will really be, successful in some kind of small way of their portfolio. I don't think, they can make everything what they promised, because, it's just ridiculous. But you never say never, right? So that's why I would always appreciate if you I need to just get a little bit used to the market, to the live streaming setup here. But make sure to thumb up the video. This is obviously highly appreciated. Follow me on Instagram. This would be also highly appreciated. So I'm really happy that I'm back in Dubai with you guys, with a lot of new content, and let's start October right. It's a little bit crazy, I agree with you, but it's just the beginning. So I hope you have a fantastic day. Make sure to stay safe and healthy, and I see you in just a couple of hours with the daily vlog. And tonight, for all the people in the US, for all the people in Europe, we will have our usual longer live stream where I will talk about you and other people on the market, and we will talk, via live chat and everything. So it will be fun. I'm very much looking forward to that. Have a nice day, and I see you later.